Good evening, Sir Leo Arcaios. I am GP Bisalbo from J2E1. I am here to report the effects of the liquid's pressure surface inside a tank or compartments to the vessel stability. Pressure surface is defined as the surface that I can move freely from one inside to another freely. Example, a tank, one half full of wheels. The free surface is a negative effect over the shape stable condition. The free surface leads to loss in the GM, which means that it could reduces the GM the extent of converting the BGM. The BGM stability shapes and stable shapes spatials started here voyage with small initial GM. As a result, the ships can easily capsize sinks. The pressure surface reduces the ship, writing the moment and reducing the GG later, which used to bring the ship the back of right condition. The pressure surface, the extra capsizing moment of the ship, the extra weight added from the liquid, the one half full tank in the held side. G move to G1 as a liquid held GG new GMs old GM. Also G move to G new moment old moment GG1 loss in GM. The effect of the surface on the ship stability is similar to shifting load vertical up. The writing moment, the effective the resurface, the G moves horizontal, the reverse to GG1, the GGG will reduce to DG. You can see writing the will also reduce RMGGW in relative surface effect RMGGW. As the also moves vertically, G1 reduce the value of the movement to G1 that is called the loss in GM loss instability. The new is GM1. Summary: free surface comes from one half full tanks. Free surface leads to loss in ship stability, loss in GM. Free surface reduces the ship's writing moment. Free surface reduces the GG. Free surface affecting ship stability is evaluated the surface effect the shifting load vertically upward. Free surface makes the liquid in tank lead to the quill side and extra healing moment, capsizing EI reducing the right moment, which makes the ship to heal with a larger O.